explain about me.
Is that wherever you may go?
Ito na yung huling kanta niyong maririnig bago niyo mahahalikan ang bawat isa. Now, may you have, ito, ang tawag ko dito, ito yung legal na halik. Kasi yung singleness, hindi man na siya legal na halik. Illegal kiss to siya. But this was the kiss made by God na paghalok ninyong duha karon, there will be something from your inner being na mapasa nimo sa imuhang pan, sa imuhang wife, sa imuhang husband. And that's you call love.